Today I'm going to demonstrate how to do activated self-brain spotting so that you can use it to help process and clear stress, anxiety, and emotionally charged triggers. We will be using two things. Number one, your eye, so your visual field, and number two, your body awareness, meaning how you feel in your body when stressors come up. You've probably felt things in your body before when you're stressed. Since in brain spotting, where you look affects how you feel, you can go to my Joe Dispenza brain spotting video for a deeper dive. We can look at that and say you are going to want to use your eyes to access, focus on, process, and release your stored issues. Those issues that seem to haunt you and preoccupy you in the background of your life. So a brain spot is a place that is associated with a particular feeling inside of you. It's starting to storm out here. You want to access it because your presence with it makes your system feel seen and heard. It can ground you in a new and profound way. From there, you can relax deeper and get to the business of focusing more on what you do want to create and who you do want to be. Wow, it's storming. Rather than being too emotionally charged to relax into being your empowered true self. I like to think of it as a way to befriend yourself instead of looking for the outside to change before you can feel better. So set an intention before you begin your self-brain spotting session. It could be something like, I'm taking this time for myself today because I love the idea of being with all the parts of me in a new way. Okay, to start, you bring up a situation that feels emotionally activating. It could be an emotional charge from a particular argument, a stress from work maybe, or an uncomfortable experience that you can still feel in your body, kind of like that storm out there. Let me insert here though that I would not suggest doing self-brain spotting for deep trauma work, as you may require a trained professional to help you navigate that safely. So if you find you're getting too overwhelmed or emotionally flooded doing this exercise, change to a lighter feeling eye position and do some mindful releasing breaths to discharge it. Discharge that big storm. Also, know that you don't have to do this all in one go either. You can come back and practice this again and again if there continues to be activation around the issue. Just like you wouldn't tell a child that you will listen to them just once and that's it, and that they better have the issue all worked out. Be patient with yourself. Be there for you and your particular process. It's different for everybody. Please don't rush you. That's rude. So be sure to watch and observe your self-talk around your experience of this and practice rerouting old fear-based habits of escaping to new ones that are more aligned with who you are choosing to be now. You can handle uncomfortable things. Okay, now let's get into the demo. For me, let's see, I'm going to bring up an unresolved, tense conversation I had recently. And as I think about it, and I start to feel about it, and I experience it in the present moment, I am noticing how intensely activated I'm getting. I might give it a number out of 10, and then I will notice where I feel the tension in my body. It could show up as tightness in my chest maybe, tension in my stomach, or heat in my face maybe. Please don't overanalyze the sensation that comes up for you. Just notice it. For me, it's in my throat when I think about this situation. The higher the intensity, often the easier and quicker the brain spot shows up for me. But right now, the situation I'm in feeling is about a 7 out of 10 intensity, I'd say. So now, I'm going to hold up my pointer to access the spot in my visual field, and I'm going to slowly move it across my field of vision while I stay connected to that feeling in my body. Starting on my left, I'll notice how it feels. I'll see how it feels closer to the center, and then the right. And you know what? For this, I'm feeling more towards the center, and I kind of go up. Does it feel more there? Maybe more intense down low? No, I'm feeling it more up here. So what I was looking for was, where does this emotion feel the strongest? It might be a twitch or a pain, or I swallow hard in a particular spot, or it just feels intense there, like this spot. So you'll often notice one spot where the feeling increases. That's your brain spot. Once you find it, gently keep your eyes there. Stay on it. Stay present with whatever comes up. Don't direct it. Be with it. Feel back into your body and stay on the issue. Call your mind back if it wanders. For me, I'm feeling kind of aggravated about this situation just thinking about it. I keep coming back to it. As you stare at the brain spot, you might notice emotions, memories, pictures, body sensations. You might yawn or maybe blink a lot or burp, some people do, and eventually you may get a feeling of release. From that lowered activation space, you can pull up the triggering issue again and see if the intensity raises back up when you think about it and feel into it. I'm going to keep doing that. See if it eventually gets to zero activation after trying to goose it back up. It may not, but you still did great work just being with what hurts in you. To some degree, processing did happen through your presence with it. Notice it. Part of you wants to dismiss your efforts, saying, oh, it didn't work for me, maybe? Be with that dismissive part of you. If you aren't able to be the gentle, self-compassionate one yet, the one you are looking to eventually cultivate inside of you, be patient with it. Just keep going back to the exercise, gazing at the pointer, noticing where you feel it in the body. Tell the part of you that hurts, I won't abandon you like others may be in your life. I will be here for this distressed part of me. I will keep up with this and help liberate these parts because I am going to become freer and live more of the life of my dreams. Notice again that overall intention really matters here. So during a brain spotting session, sometimes your mind will wander, it just wanders off to a more blank or empty feeling state, almost like it doesn't want you to process it, but keep calling yourself back to it and back to it. You don't have to breathe and calm yourself. You're here to feel it. Let your body, mind know it's safe and smart to be with what hasn't been processed in your more subcortical systems yet, that is. And as your activation resolves, slowly or quickly, your prefrontal brain regions will rearrange themselves too. You are actually creating neuroplastic changes. And I could add that your default mode network, which is associated with self-awareness and the story that you tell and feel about yourself, will update its version about who you are. That's huge. And that is the work we are always moving towards on this Mind Boss channel. With mindful activated presence, using the fixed eye position and body awareness, your system starts to integrate a new understanding of you, and it reassigns all of that emotional intensity, that emotional meaning. So there is now a space for more good to come in. Ultimately, this process can feel surprisingly deep. My psychotherapy clients tell me they are shocked by the changes they experience in sessions, and many of them use self-spotting at home too. But as I mentioned, remember that change may not necessarily come right away. Know that your goal isn't to force anything, just like you wouldn't rush a dear child or friend before their system was really ready. Your job is to simply stay present with the experience while your brain and body process things on their own time. And also remember, if the intensity feels too strong, you can shift your gaze slightly until it feels manageable again. So yes, self-brain spotting can be useful for stress, anxiety, and emotional processing, but it's also wonderful for expanding into states of being that enhance performance or connect you with your higher self, for instance. So look for more self-brain spotting videos to come. Take care, and I will see you on the next one. Just don't forget to check out these supportive videos as well. See ya.